Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to play Age of Empires in Android Easy Method. Open your emulator app and grant storage permissions, then sign into your cloud account to access game files. Move the game folder into the emulator virtual drive and configure controller or touch input settings. Launch the game inside the emulator, choose graphics presets that match your device, and enjoy a smooth play session with stable Wi-Fi. Start by installing the emulator and signing into your cloud storage to access game files. Copy the Age of Empires folder into the emulator virtual drive, then allocate more CPU cores and RAM if your device supports it. Configure touch controls or connect a Bluetooth controller for easier gameplay. Test graphics settings and choose the performance preset that keeps frame rate steady while preserving visual clarity for long sessions. When playing, prefer a Bluetooth controller for precise controls and faster unit management during battles. Reduce shadows and high textures to maintain frame rates in crowded scenes and enable VSync only if screen tearing appears. Keep manual saves and ensure Cloud Sync is active so your progress moves with you. Practice hotkeys or touch macros to speed up build queues and micromanagement for a better strategic experience on a mobile setup.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.